Hello students, today we are going to discuss about homologous series. I think you have seen these. I am finding out the molecular mass of these molecules: methane, ethane, propane and butane. So I think you have understood these four are the members of the alkane family. In the alkane family, we find out the members by putting the value in n. Starting from 1, we get each member of the alkane family. Means CnH2n is the general formula. So if you put the n value 1 here, we get the first member methane. This is methane, this one is methane, this one is ethane, this one is propane, this one is butane. Now you see, in this particular alkane, in the members of the alkane family, for the members of the alkane family, what we have got, see, so this is the first member. In the first member, if you add 1 unit, I am telling you CH2, if you add here CH2, then you get the second member. What it will be? C2H6. This one is methane, first one is methane, second one is ethane, then again you add here CH2 unit, you will get C3H8. That is the third member. It is propane. This is propane. Again you add here CH2 unit, you will get the fourth member, C4H10. What is its name? This is butane. This one is butane. So in this way we get each member. If you study this series, you will find that starting from the first one, if you go on adding this unit, CH2 unit, in every molecule, here also if you add a CH2 unit, you will get the next member, that is pentane. So this type of series, this alkane is a series where each member are differed by the same unit, CH2 unit. And again, if you check the molecular formula of each member, which I have shown you here, you see molecular formula of methane, molecular mass of methane, we are finding out in this way. I think all of you have remembered. Atomic mass of carbon is 12, hydrogen 1 multiplied by 4, so we are getting 16 U. U is the unit of atomic mass and molecular mass. So 16 U is the molecular mass of methane. Similar to that way, you see for the ethane, molecular mass 30 U, for propane, molecular mass 44 U, for butane, molecular mass 58 U. Now you see, since they are differed by the same unit, they have the same difference of the molecular mass also. So that one I want to show you here. So you see, for the methane, molecular mass is 16 U, and for ethane, molecular mass is how much? 30 U. This is 16 U, I am finding out here. Then this is 30 U. Then for the propane, the molecular mass is, this is methane molecular mass, this is ethane molecular mass, and propane molecular mass is 44 U, like this. Then butane molecular mass is 58 U. You see, like this, the molecular mass. Now you see one thing, if you subtract, I want to show you here, if you subtract the molecular mass of ethane, 30, from 30, if you subtract 16, what you will get? You will get 14 U. Again, you take the molecular mass of propane, that is 44, minus, subtract the molecular mass of ethane from it, 30, you will get again from this, you will get, this is 44, and from the 44, if you subtract the molecular mass, again this one is 30, then you will get 14 U. Same value you will get. I am showing you here again, like this. Suppose again molecular mass of ethane is 30, molecular mass of ethane is 30, then you subtract the molecular mass of methane from it, then it will be 14U. That means what? If you add the 14U here, you will get the molecular mass of the next 30. Then again molecular mass of propane, then subtract the molecular mass of ethane from it, you will get 14U. You see the difference is same. Molecular mass difference is same. That means what? I want to say that molecular mass of methane is 16. If you add here 14, you will get the molecular mass of ethane. Again, if you add 14U here in the molecular mass of ethane, you will get the molecular mass of the next member, propane. Again, if you add 14U here, you will get the molecular mass of the next member, that is 58U. So what you have got then, in case of this alkane series, this is the alkane family. In case of the alkane family, each member are differed by CH2 unit, and their molecular mass difference is also same, 14U. So this type of series, for this type of series we observed that the members have the same chemical property. The members have same chemical property. That means methane, ethane, propane, butane, they have same chemical property. Physical properties are different, but chemical properties are same. Reason is that because there are difference in the unit, same unit difference. They are differed by CH2 unit, and that's why their molecular mass difference is also same. And since they have same difference, they are differed by the same unit, CH2 unit, so they have the same chemical property. But physical properties are they have same chemical property, but they have different physical properties. Like molecular mass is itself is a physical property, and you have seen molecular mass gradually increases. So this type of series is called a homologous series. If you check for the alkene, and for the alkyne, you know that alkene general formula CnH2n, and alkyne general formula CnH2n minus 2. If you find out the members, each member of these two families also, alkene and alkyne, you will observe that their differences are also CH2 unit. Suppose I am giving the example of ethane. Ethane first member C2H4, second member C3H6, third member C4H8. That one you know. This is ethene, propane, butane. You see the difference between ethene, this is ethene, and this is propane, and this is butane. This is butane. So difference is same. If you add here CH2, what you will get? You will get this member, C4H6. If you add here CH2, then you will get the next member. If you add here CH2, then you will get the next member. That means each member of ethene also differ by CH2 unit. So and also the molecular mass difference also you will get like that, like in case of alkane you will get 14U. So alkene is also a homologous series. In case of the alkene, you will find their molecular mass is also differed by the 14U. They have same chemical property. The members have the same chemical property, but their physical properties are different. And same in the case of the alkyne also. Alkyne members also have the same difference in their unit, like alkyne members, alkyne formula was CnH2n minus 2. If you put value 2 here, you will get C2H 2 into 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 2, we will get C2H, C2H2, like this is the first member. Then second member, we will get the second member by adding CH2 here. If you add CH2 here, we will get C3H4. So you know this one is ethyne, this one is propyne. So we are getting the propyne by adding CH2 unit in ethyne. So this is ethyne, and this one is propyne. This one is propyne. So in case of the alkyne also, we have seen that each member are differed by same unit, CH2 unit. So this is alkyne is also one example of homologous series. And we observed that in case of the alkyne also, they have the same chemical property but different physical property. Besides that, I want to say that there are a number of functional groups. Functional groups means the group of atoms together change the property of a alkane chain. Group of atoms together form the property of a particular alkane chain. As for example, this CH, this dash, I am giving a dash, and OH. So this group is called alcohol. This group is called alcohol group. And this line you have seen, this line, this side, that is alcohol joined to a carbon chain through this side. So the electrons are here through this side. It joined to the alkane chain by replacing one hydrogen. I want to give the example. So this is the first alkane. All of you know its name. What is its name? Methane. Its name is methane. So this methane, from this methane molecule, if we replace one of the hydrogen by the OH group, you see how I am joining here. Since the reactive side is here, so I am joining by this oxygen side to it. So I have replaced one of the hydrogen from methane with OH. As a result, we are getting a new hydrocarbon. The name of this new hydrocarbon is methanol. Its name is methanol. Methanol is the first alcohol, methanol. So we are getting this methanol again from the second alkane. Second alkane, what is the second alkane? Ethane. So this is the second alkane. I am drawing the skeletal structure of the second alkane. This is ethane. I think all of you know. This is the skeletal structure of ethane. This is methane. From methane, I have replaced one of the hydrogen with the OH group. Now I am replacing one of the hydrogen from ethane. It was ethane, but it is ethanol now. This one is ethanol. So in this way, we can get a new family. We can create a new family by replacing hydrogen from each member of the alkane with the alcohol group. As a result, we will get the members like methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, like that. So that particular series is also a homologous series, because in case of that one also, in each member of that family, the same functional group is there, OH group. Because of that reason, each and every member show the same chemical property. They are alcohol. They are show all the chemical properties of alcohol. So methanol, ethanol, propanol, these are the examples of one of the homologous series, and they will show same chemical property. Methanol, ethanol, propanol, they will all show the same chemical property. So we can give the definition of the homologous series in this way. The series or the family in which each member have the same functional group and so same chemical property but different physical property is called a homologous series on the basis of functional group. And simply for the alkane, alkene, alkyne, we can say that alkane, alkene, alkyne, for them each member are differ by CH2 unit. So they have same chemical property but different physical property. Also their molecular mass is same, that is 14U. So they are called homologous series. Thank you very much.